wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on that, come diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer, let me turn it on with her.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam ECG di hatiku. My name is Nurin Atira binti Muhammad Suhaimi from class 4 or EC110 from UiTM Cabang Pahang campus Jingke. And today I will presenting you about my mini project for my soil engineering laboratory ECG263. And before further ado, let's enjoy the video.
1. Turn on the weight balance and make sure that they are 0 gram. 2. Record the mass of the empty tray without putting soil yet. The mass of empty tray is 637 grams. 3. Press tear and record the mass of soil. 4. Put soil gently into the tray. The mass of soil is 386 grams. 4. Put the tray under the sun for the drying process. Let it sit for 2 hours. 5. Record the mass after dry under the sun and repeat the same process for 3 times to get average value. First, we need the weight balance and sample of soil, a water and bottles. 1. Turn on the weight balance until it appears 0 gram here. Clean up each of the bottles and make sure that they are dry. 2. Record the mass of the empty bottle, which is 326 grams of empty bottle with lid. And put 3. Put the soil in the bottle with the same weight of each bottle. I put weight of the soil in a bottle is 133 grams. And also for the second and third jar is 133 grams. 4. Fill the water into the bottle until the soil is soaked with water.
Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind.
5. Close the bottle with and let it sit for at least 2 hours. 6. Fill in the water into the bottles until it is full with no bubble in it. 7. Record the mass of these 3 bottles by using weight balance, which is the lid, the bottles, the water and the soil. 8. Let it sit into the water bath temperature water for an hour. 9. Take out the bottles and wipe it. 10. Record the mass. The mass for the first bottle is 1096 gram. The second bottle is 1092 gram, and the third is 1096 gram. 11. And now prepare 3 bottles with same shape. But this one fill it with water and close the lid, then record the mass. The mass of the first bottle is 1012 gram and the others are same. Safety precaution is 1. Make sure that the apparatus are clean before use and after use 2. Wash hand after conduct the experiment 3. I should be same level of bottle to avoid parallax error. Make some holes into the container. Then, mark the H1, H2, H3, H4 and soil at the container to it will be easy to fill the soil and water. 3. Put the soil until it reaches mark scale. After that, compress the soil so that the soil will be compact. 4. Clean the basin, and make sure it clean from any dirt so it won't affect the results. 5. Fill the container with water until it reaches H1 mark and put it slowly so soil won't come out from the holes. After fill until reach H1 mark, start the stopwatch when the water is start drain slowly into the compressed soil. I speed up the video so you won't bored watching it. This part I tried to make some space at the compressed soil because seems like the water doesn't flow into the basin. Record the time until the water fully drain into the basin. It takes 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 6. Fill up the water again into the container until it reach H1 mark again, and get ready with stopwatch because the water is start flowing a bit faster than before. Time running. 7. Wait the water until it reach H2 mark and record the time. And the time taken for water reach H2 mark is 34 seconds. 8. Wait again the water until it reach H3 mark and record the time. Get ready for the stopwatch. Time taken for water reach H3 mark is 1 minute and 48 seconds. 9. Wait the water until it reach H4 mark and record the time. The time taken for water reach at the H4 mark is 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Safety precaution for this experiment. Wear gloves because making holes at the container is by using sharp equipment. Make sure that the soil is fully dry before conduct the experiment. Read the mark level with same level with ISO that the error won't occur. Make sure that hands are washed clean after conduct the experiment. After conducting the experiment, wash all the apparatus and wash it clean.
Turn on the weight balance and make sure it's 0. 2. Record the mass of basin without soil. The weight knock empty basin is 225 grams. 3. Now record the mass of soil and the basin. And it shows 1,228 grams. 4. Now put the soil into the first sieve with using spatula. Be careful when scoop the soil into the sieve so the soil won't spill out from basin. 5. Sieve the soil in the basin. Sieve, sieve, sieve. 6. Sieve until the big particle in soil seen. Now you can see that small particle soil starts to separate from big particle when using sieve. 7. Record the mass of soil in the basin and it shows 571 grams. 8. Sieve the soil by using second sieve and sieve carefully. Sieve, sieve, sieve. Now you can see there's still a big particle that can't through the sieve. 9. Record the mass of the soil by using weight balance. The weight of the soil after using second sieve is 8837 g. There are a few safety precautions that have to be taken. First, make sure that the apparatus is in clean andry so that it won't affect the results. Second is the hand have to be clean after and before conducting the experiment. Clean up the set of apparatus after using it. Use gloves when taking the sample of soil.
They're all the same. Every time I close my eyes, memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here, I can feel you over here. take up every corner of my mind.